Picture this: a grown adult, sweating, eyes watering, nose running like a leaky faucet, reaching for a napkin with one hand and another spoonful of extra spicy curry with the other. Why? Why would anyone do this to themselves? Your body is literally screaming, "This is a threat," and you respond by saying, "One more bite, please." Today we are asking a genuinely strange question. Why do humans eat chili peppers, even though, biologically speaking, we are not supposed to enjoy them at all? Here is the twist nobody tells you. Chili peppers are not spicy because they want to be your flavor of the month. They are spicy because they are trying to kill you, or at least warn you off. The compound responsible, capsaicin, binds to the same receptors in your mouth that detect actual heat. The kind from fire, not flavor. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a habanero and a hot stove. As far as your nervous system is concerned, you are being burned alive, one bite at a time. So why did this evolve? Chili plants did not develop capsaicin to entertain us. They developed it as a defense mechanism, mainly against mammals. Mammals have molar teeth that grind up seeds and destroy them during digestion, which is bad news for a plant trying to reproduce. Birds, on the other hand, have no capsaicin receptors at all. They cannot taste the heat, and they swallow seeds whole, then deposit them somewhere new, fully intact, with a little natural fertilizer included. So chili peppers essentially evolved a "mammals not welcome" sign while leaving the door wide open for birds. Humans just happened to be the one mammal that broke in anyway. Historically, humans have been doing this for a very long time. Archaeological evidence from sites in what is now Mexico shows chili pepper use dating back over 6,000 years, making it one of the oldest cultivated spices in the Americas. Long before refrigeration existed, spicy food served a practical purpose too. Capsaicin has antimicrobial properties, and researchers have found that traditionally spicier cuisines tend to come from hotter climates, where food spoils faster and needs a little extra help staying safe to eat. But history only explains why chili peppers were useful. It does not explain why we actually enjoy the burn. And this is where things get interesting. When capsaicin triggers those heat receptors, your brain believes you are in genuine danger, so it responds the way it would to any painful threat. By releasing endorphins and dopamine, the same feel-good chemicals involved in exercise highs, a fair number of other pleasurable experiences. Researchers have a name for this phenomenon: benign masochism. It describes the enjoyment humans get from experiences that feel dangerous or unpleasant, while our rational brain knows, with total certainty, that we are actually safe. Roller coasters fall into this category. Horror movies, too. And apparently, so does a bowl of ghost pepper wings. Here is a fact that surprises most people. Capsaicin tolerance is not really about your taste buds toughening up. Your receptors do not become less sensitive to the burn. What actually happens is psychological adaptation. Your brain gets better at reframing the pain signal as a rewarding sensation instead of a threat. Regular spicy food eaters are not immune to the fire. They have simply trained their brain to enjoy the ride. There is also a strong cultural layer here. In many spice-loving cultures, tolerance for heat becomes a badge of identity. Even a competitive sport. Around the world, chili eating contests routinely draw large crowds, and the extreme end of the hobby has led to lab-tested Reaper-style peppers that can register in the millions on the Scoville scale. A measurement scientist developed specifically to quantify how much capsaicin, and therefore how much pain, a pepper delivers. So when you really break it down, eating chili peppers is not one simple thing. It is history, biology, chemistry, and a surprisingly universal human trait of finding safe danger deeply satisfying, all rolled into a single bite of your favorite dish. Today, chili peppers show up in cuisines on every inhabited continent, and global demand for hot sauce alone continues climbing year after year. What began as a plant's defense strategy against being eaten has somehow turned into one of humanity's favorite reasons to eat. Next time your eyes are watering over a plate of wings and someone asks why you are doing this to yourself, you can give them the real answer. You are not ignoring the pain. You are one of the few mammals on Earth clever enough, or stubborn enough, to have turned it into pleasure. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into the strange science behind everyday habits, and let me know in the comments, what is the spiciest thing you have ever eaten? I will see you in the next one.